You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Hey, LPS-Dave. So, me ma moo ma moo. I'm warming up, LPS-Dave. Hold on. Me ma moo ma.
I'll just drink some tea.
Yeah, the morning tea. That's not tea, LPS-Dave.
I think it is.
That cloudy liquid that you're drinking.
No, I poured that myself. No. Very tasty. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Butch and I are going to do another experiment
We're back in the lab, LPS-Dave.
with the Alien Slime Lab from Ooze Labs.
Now, we had a meeting after the last one, and it was determined that I will no longer be the chief scientist like the last time. That didn't quite work out.
Yeah.
I'm going to be the commentator.
Because
the color commentator.
your assistant was fumbling and dropping and, doing all kinds
Couldn't take an order.
Couldn't take an order. Well, I have the little booklet here. We are going to do the Rehydrate the Red Alien Slime.
Whew. Sounds interesting, I have to say.
Now, they say it's very similar to the previous experiment.
And that was a success.
Right here. We've kept it, and it's still here. So we're going to take this now. We have some more experiments we will do later. Move everything out of the way. Let us move the box out of the way. Now,
Nicely done.
I just noticed, I was paying attention here, that you failed to supply me with some water. So now that you're the assistant.
Yes.
Okay, so ball dropped. Yeah.
Hold on, LPS-Dave.
Yeah.
Agua.
I don't think so.
I picked out my thermos, LPS-Dave.
Okay, I couldn't wait any longer, Butch. I had to turn the camera off. It was taking forever to get just a simple thing of water. Okay, yeah, don't strain. Let me help you there. Don't strain yourself, sir. I can't see you hurt yourself for this experiment.
I'm not a very good lead scientist. I'm not a very good apprentice assistant, LPS-Dave. I'm still looking for my role. I'm trying to find my role.
You're the best. I mean, you're the best. There's nobody better than you.
Thank you, LPS-Dave.
Okay, so now let's get this set. All right, so place the large test tube into the holder.
Checkaroony, LPS-Dave.
Fill the test tube with 55 mLs of water, 20 milliliters less than used in the yellow.
Interesting.
What's the reason?
That's an interesting little commentary note that they did there. That's a clue, I think.
There is a
LPS-Dave.
clue.
Ho!
25.
My favorite sound. Ho!
Thank you. A little late. 50.
5 more, LPS-Dave. Ho!
Thank you. Wow. All right. All right. So now it says open the packet of slime powder using a pair of scissors. Do not use your canine teeth.
Hey.
Be careful.
Does it really say do not use your canine's teeth?
It just says do not use your teeth. I added canine.
Oh, yeah. Don't use your dog's teeth.
Do not get it in your eyes.
Parents, just a little note for you out
Yes.
there. You should be operating the skizzers on this one.
Yeah, skizzers. I've got the skizzers.
Careful.
Pour all of the powder slowly into the tube and avoid creating airborne dust.
That was an interesting one from last time. No dust.
Okay, so here we go.
Interesting.
Mix the powder into the water with the spatula.
Swirly.
Close the test tube with the lid and shake it for 30 seconds.
Good advice.
30 seconds. Okay, start your timer now.
Ready, go. 10.
Thank you, Butch.
18.
Okay.
24.
Okay, that's good. Well, it says shaking.
30.
Okay, it says shaking the tube every few minutes. So here we go, every few minutes.
Do you want me to count off the minutes in the background here?
No. For 20 minutes.
Boy, LPS-Dave, you want me to entertain everybody for 20 minutes here?
Until they have solidified. This takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay,
How about that?
Here we go. Let's just keep.
Let's just let it play, LPS-Dave.
Let her play. Yeah, 20 minutes of airtime. Dead air.
Everybody, watch the slime set.
What's happening? Just like with the yellow slime. Can you be privy to this information?
We're at about 22 seconds, LPS-Dave, of the 20 minutes.
Let me get that in there for you. You're reading that little what's happening.
What's happening? Good show, by the way. Okay. Just like with the yellow slime, the red slime powder absorbs the water and turns it into a slimy substance.
Okay.
Over 20 minutes. Chemically, the only difference between the red and yellow slime powders is the colored dyed pigments in them. Continue with the next experiments to see how the amount of water used affects the properties of the red and yellow slimes. Interesting. It's kind of like when I make pancakes in the morning. Well, when you make me pancakes in the morning, LPS-Dave. Sometimes they're a little runnier, sometimes a little thicker. Depends how much of the mix you put in there.
Yeah, I can totally appreciate that.
I equate everything in life to food, you know, so.
Okay, the first experiment, the gravity test. You will need yellow slime.
Check.
Red slime.
Almost check.
Base station.
18 minutes and 30 seconds to go, LPS.
String.
Do we have string?
Clock. Or timer.
That would be me.
I don't have string, but I looked at it previously before we started, like any good scientist would. And I can safely say that I will just use a rubber band. Much easier.
Really?
Whoa, whoa! Okay, sorry about that.
Butterfingers. What?
Okay.
What?
Now it says, tie a string from one vertical rod to the other, make it as taut. Taut. I don't think I've ever read taut in a long time in a book. Place a small lump of yellow slime about the size of a grape. Right, you got your timer handy. So get your timer
I have
set.
a built-in timer.
Yeah.
LPS-Dave.
Well, you need an official timer, so get your... Okay, then it says about on the string, pushing it around the string so that the string is in the center of the slime.
Sticky.
It is. There.
I see.
Okay, now record the time of exactly how long this takes for that to... now, what a timer. Time how long it takes for the slime to ooze down from the string to the station below. All right, so you got your timer set. We will check...
Ready, and it's going, LPS-Dave.
Your internal timer's going?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'll actually grab my phone and do it, but here we go. We will check back in every few seconds. Well, it's not taking very long, is it? Now, what does your internal clock say?
I'm at about 20.9 seconds, LPS-Dave.
20.9?
Uh-oh! Timber! 28 seconds, LPS-Dave.
So, 28 seconds.
For the big blob to drop. Now, there are still some strings. Do we count those?
I don't think we count the string.
The big blob is 28 seconds.
But I'm still waiting 20 to 30 minutes on that other one. So when we come back, I think we should just do them side by side, or 15 and 20 minutes. We'll do this again, now that we have that one recorded, but we'll do like a side by side test.
Side by side, I like it.
So back in about, what do you think, 10 minutes? We've kind of...
We need about 11 minutes and 8 seconds, LPS.
Look at that. It's hard to... doesn't even shake anymore.
Uh-oh.
Less water.
Is that going to be a problem?
No. Harder to move around. So we'll be back when we do the next experiment. All right, Butch. Let's redo the gravity test now.
You know, LPS-Dave, it's been a very enjoyable 20 minutes, I have to say.
I'm going to tell you, gravity isn't helping.
Hello.
Okay.
Welcome to Lucky Penny Shop,
Yes.
Slimy.
So let's take this out, slimy. And then let's take this one out. Now, I have to say, they look pretty similar.
I was going to say, do you feel much of a difference, LPS-Dave?
They're just sticky. Sticky, sticky, sticky.
They have that in common.
Yeah. All right. So you ready? Let's try to get them
Hold on, let me get my stopwatch.
equal in size.
My internal stopwatch is ready to go, LPS-Dave. Let me clear it off. I'm ready.
That's resetting your brain or what?
Just shake it off.
Okay.
Tell me when.
Go. Wait. Well, let's just leave it and see what happens. Well, I'm telling you right now, the new one is actually slimier than the old one.
It's yes, LPS-Dave. It's got a mind of its own, doesn't it?
Now, why would less water?
Did I mention I went to school with a guy named Les Water?
No.
Good friend.
That's someone's name? Less water? Okay, now, let's see. Keep the red slime okay and yellow slime in the Petri dish for now. Okay, what's happening? The yellow slime has more water content, therefore it's less viscous and more likely to flow off the string faster. Then the red slime, which is less water content. However, there are some other factors here, such as the amount of each slime you stuck onto the string.
Yes, I think we're finding the opposite happening.
A small
here,
of slime will
LPS-Dave.
stick to the string better than a larger amount of slime because that is an adhesive property to the slime. The slime is adhesive because the molecules at its surface are attracted to the surface molecules of the string.
It's oozing, LPS-Dave. It's oozing.
We have a good ooze there. But,
Oh, there goes the one.
yeah, maybe just time. That one sat a little bit longer, so maybe it lost some of its liquid properties. I don't know.
It's interesting either way, and you know what? With science, that's why we do these experiments, LPS-Dave.
Yes.
Sometimes you find things that are not what you think.
I agree. I am going to now reset here, and then I am going to come back. Okay, I'm going to reset the camera. I want to get it in this position because the next experiment requires the roller. Remember the roller?
We figured the roller out last time, didn't we?
I have the roller, yes. Roll, 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 all day long. Roll, roll, roll while I sing my song. You will need small test tube with lid. Done.
Checkaroonie.
Okay, screw the lid into the small test tube. Slide the test tube ring on the other end of the test tube. This converts the small test tube into a rolling pin. Place a lump of red slime about the size of a ping pong ball.
They have interesting ways to describe sizes, LPS-Dave. We did a grape before, now we're doing a ping pong ball.
Yeah.
Is this international rules ping pong? Or is
I don't know. I really don't know. This converts the smoke in the rolling pin area on the base station. Start rolling the slime back and forth with the rolling pin. Eventually, you can get the ends of the rolling pin to sit in the channels on either side of the rolling area. Then you can roll back and forth to make a smooth, flat piece of slime.
Interesting.
La 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 la.
Oh boy, does this bring back memories, LPS-Dave.
La 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 la.
Grandmama rolling out the cookie dough.
What a wonderful time, Grandmama. Rolling out the cookie dough.
Yeah. So what happens? What are we looking at?
We
here,
just rolled
LPS-Dave?
out cookie dough. I mean, we just rolled out slime. Okay, start. Okay, then you can roll. Okay, now try steps 2 and 3 with the yellow slime. What do you notice out of the difference between the red and yellow slime? What's happening? The red slime has less water content and therefore is stiffer and thicker slime. This makes it more resistant to being rolled out onto the flat sheet.
I see.
I guess.
I see.
Let me grab this one now.
Said the colorblind dog and saw.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Wow. I don't know. Maybe, like you said, maybe it's because
We'll see.
we did this with the last experiment.
Yeah,
I don't know.
and it sat for a little bit. Okay, here we go.
Interesting. I see. Interesting. Yes. Very interesting. I'm going to have to take this hypothesis back to the lab and do some research, LPS-Dave.
Well, we are in the lab, so here's your time to
right.
state your hypotheses.
Oh boy, I
Go ahead. I didn't see much different there.
I see it shinier.
It is a little shinier, maybe.
It's an observation, LPS-Dave.
Okay, that's an observation. Let's do this, though, because it does not say what happens when you mix the two slimes.
Aha!
Oh, there we go.
Achoo.
There we go. And I would like to blow a bubble in the pink slime. See, we have our own side experiments, everybody. Okay, there we go.
You're just shaky with those things.
Let's move that there. Let's get this here. And let's see. Do you remember when it was in the tube and it was making all those plip, 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 plip sounds?
I remember LPS-Dave.
You do remember.
I love that when you do that.
Okay. Which want to get a little closer here?
I've been standing back. Whenever you do these things, I always stand back.
No. Well, you know,
sure?
prop yourself up there against the. There you go. You got it. Yeah, there you go. Here, let me bring the camera up for you. There. I just want to get you in there.
I see you.
I can't lose you there.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you're
right here with you. I never leave you, LPS.
You're so wonderful.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
wow, best bubble ever.
Yeah, I would say the bubbling properties are the same. Would you say?
Dramatically different, LPS Dave.
Well, go ahead and say it.
Dramatically different.
No, you're supposed to say, what would you say? Would you say it? Go ahead and say it. No!
Oh.
Say yes, LPS
Dave, I think that
the properties are the same.
I don't believe so. I like that bubble better than anything I've ever seen in my life.
Really? Let's make a mini one.
Wow, that sounded like some kind of a race car.
I don't think it sounded like a race car. Real funny. Well, overall, here's what I'm going to say.
Say it, LPS Dave.
Yeah, no, you don't need to say it this time. I'll say it this time. I believe due to time, something that a lot of experiments probably take into consideration, like over a 24-hour period, over a 48-hour period.
Thousands of years.
That the yellow slime, although it had more water, they were not made in the same day, right? So water can and will... I can't think of that word. Evaporate.
Evaporate.
Thank you. I seem to say it right after I say it. So that could be part of the issue, right?
Very interesting. So, yeah, I have to think about this with all of my science experiments now, LPS Dave.
Really?
Yes, as I think about it now, if I don't follow it right along like it says, you're not going to get the results that they expect. You might get different results.
Really? Well, I'll tell you what. We could do actually one more experiment right now. We have the time. Yeah. It's real simple. Watch. Take this like this. Take your brain. I know you struggle with that sometimes. It says, here's how. Okay, brain cutter, red slime base station. Fill the brain cutting recess with slime. Let's try it.
Check. That is the brain cutting recess.
I'm going to put a little more in there.
Load it up. Big brain.
Position the brain cutter over the brain cutting recess. Okay. Brain cutter over the brain cutting recess.
This is even more like old grandmama making brain cookies.
Push down on the brain cutter to cut a brain shape of the slime. Remove the slime brain from recess and peel it out of the brain cutter. What do you notice about the shape the brain cutter made in the slime? You can also try cutting the slime with the brain cutter on a flat rolling area of the station. Keep all the red slime in the brain cutting recess area for now.
For now.
It almost seems like they want you to just do these non-stopo, you know?
Right, one after the other.
Yeah.
Seems like for best results.
I think maybe I put too much in there. Let me clear this out.
That's a giant brain ooze right there, LPS Dave.
Well, there it's in there, see? Okay, so let's take that. Yada yada da 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 da.
I'm getting so hungry right now.
I know. How do they expect you to take that out of here with all these little brain channels in there? You know? I think you need to put less slime. Yeah, that didn't work.
Did I ever mention I went to a school with a guy named Les Slime?
No. Really?
Yeah, it was weird that less slime and less water used to sit next to each other all the time.
Really? I'm going to do it on a flat surface, just like this. See if I can cut out a brain better.
Yep, the brain bucket wasn't working.
There we go.
I see it now.
Yeah, it would have been much easier if they just said that. Let's take a little bit of this. There's your brain.
This is your brain on slime.
Yeah.
Now what is this mad scientist going to do?
See? Now that one doesn't hold its shape as well. So,
Interesting.
there we go. Maybe
Now we have something.
we're seeing a little variety of the properties of the two Slimos, eh-o?
Roger O.
Coolio. There we go. Yeah, look at that.
Aha.
Now there was a little better shape on the top of that one.
Needs to be thicker.
Yeah, it needs to be thicker. Wow, that's a good observation.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, let's try that one again. Come on. Come on.
It's
Come on.
sticky, that's for sure.
Come on. I got it. What is the perfect thickness? I do not know. That one came out pretty good, though.
But then you got to squish it with your finger.
I know. But look, it's a cool brainio of slimy.
You know they say, LPS-Dave, it's not brain surgery.
I'm not sure they're saying that about this kit. All right, well, we had what? 1, 2, 3 experiments today.
How about that? No extra charge for that, ladies and gentlemen.
No extra charge. Well, we have more to do. Let's see. Reading ahead, it looks like, ooh, we get to do another color. Mixing colors. All right, so there's more to go.
Glow in the dark. I see glow in the dark, LPS-Dave. We're going to do glow in the dark someday.
And we get to put eyeballs on something and make a slime alien creature.
Oh, yeah.
So we will do that in the next video. And thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this batch of experiments.
Yes.
And, you know,
I did.
Did you? And thanks for watching, everybody. We really appreciate it. We will catch you next time. Later.
Save that slime, LPS-Dave.
I will. I'm going to put this one in a bag, too.
Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave.
What's up, Butch?
Make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.